Welcome all students. CDO Mary High School Nashik, subject Science, Standard 7th, Lesson 3rd, Properties of Natural Resources, teacher Mr. R. Dhavne. First we learn about the properties of air. We see one activity, take a straw and hang it to the thread at middle. Then tie two balloons at the two corners of the straw as like that the both balloons are horizontal. After some time remove the air from one balloon, then we see that a straw goes downward to the inflated balloons. From such that experiment we know that air has mass and weight. Air is the mixture of gases, therefore like all other matter, it has mass and weight. We see oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and various gases are present in the air. You see a piston. When a mouth of the piston is closed with thumb and piston is pulled, then more force is required. As we go higher above sea level, atmospheric pressure decreases. According to the scientist Daniel Bernoulli, the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases, while pressure of air increases while its velocity decreases. There are different uses of the air like a temperature regulation, scattering of light, humidity of air, transmission of sound. Second, the properties of water. We know that in our earth 71% of water is present and 29% of land is present. Out of that water, 96.5% of water is a salty water and only 3.5% is a drinkable water. There are three main concepts: solute, solvent and solution. First, solute, the substance that dissolves. For example, salt. जो पदार्थ विरघळतो त्याला सोल्यूट असे म्हणतात. सॉल्वंट, the substance in which the solute dissolves. For example, water. ज्या द्रावणात पदार्थ विरघळतो त्याला सॉल्वंट असे म्हणतात. Solution, the substance that we get when the solute dissolves. सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्वंट एकत्र असणाऱ्या सोल्युशन असे म्हणतात. Anomalous behavior of water. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and its volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called anomalous expansion of water. Density म्हणजे घनता. Density is a measurement that compares the amount of matter an object has to its volume. If an object is heavy and compact, then it has high density. The unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter. You see the density of water in a picture. Importance of water: hydrates our cells, removes toxins, that is poisonous substances from our body, used for various biological processes like digestion, excretion, etc. अन्नपचन, उत्सर्जन, विविध क्रियांमध्ये पाणी उपयोगी असते. शरीरातील टाकाऊ पदार्थ शरीराबाहेर टाकण्यासाठी देखील पाणी आवश्यक असते. Water is also useful for transport due to its fluidity. Water is a good coolant. Many substances are soluble in water. Water is a universal solvent. पाण्याला वैश्विक द्रावण असे म्हणतात. Water is used for drinking, for cleaning purposes such as bathing, washing clothes, etc. Properties of soil. मातीचे गुणधर्म. Color is an important property of soil. Soil may be of different colors such as black, red, yellow, copper, gray. The color of soil is useful for its classification. It is also useful for indicating different properties of land. Uses of soil: plant conservation, water conservation, and plasticity. Soil structure. The structure of a soil depends upon the different shapes of the particles in it. Soil occurs in a form of columnar, laminar, granular, block-shaped structures. Soil textures is found in a picture. Soil contains particles of different sizes. The texture of soil is determined by the proportion of particles of various sizes in it. There are some answers of the questions from the exercise are solved. We see one by one, fill in the blanks. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the humidity of the air. Water does not have a shape but has a definite density and mass. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. Neutral soil has a pH 7. Why is it said that water is a universal solvent? A number of substances can easily dissolve in water. Therefore, it is said that water is a universal solvent. What will happen if only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil? If only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil, fertility of soil will decrease as well as its texture will disturb. Match the pairs: air, scattering of light; water, excretion; soil, plasticity. Explain various properties of water. It is universal solvent, useful for cleaning purposes and many other uses. What are the various uses of soil? Soil is used for growing plants, water conservation, making bricks, etc. Thank you, and solve the other questions from the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.